Now, even if you choose the right campaign goal, it doesn't matter if the page people land on isn't built to convert. This is why so many contractors lose leads without realizing it. Homepages are too generic. They talk about everything you do instead of the specific service the homeowner clicked for. Add in slow load times and no clear call to action that's above the fold, and people bounce before they even get a chance to talk, before you get a chance to even talk to them. The fix is always send ad traffic to a dedicated landing page. Keep it simple, a strong headline that matches the ad, a form on the right or at the top that builds visibility, or in trust builders like reviews or guarantee badges. That's how you turn clicks into real appointments. And in a few slides, I'll show you the exact landing page structure we use so you can just model it for your own business.